Hi, my name is Gina Crawley. I am back with another episode about debtors' rights. So today we're going to talk about protecting your SSI. Okay, so the document is called the Request to Protect Income and Assets. This is page one. And as you can see, you would select which county you're in. This document can be filed with any county within Tennessee. So you would select which county you're in. You would write in the file number. The file number, docket number, case number is all the same. So you'd write in the number, pardon me, to your case. The division, you would write that in larger counties. If you don't have a division, then just disregard. You would skip that. Where it reads plaintiff and creditor, you'd write in the name of the creditor, the person that sued you. The next blank, defendant slash debtor, is where your name would go. And also you'd write in your employer's address as well too. And then if you come down, you would see where it has the SSI box, the supplemental security income. You would need to check that box to let the court know that you're asking that that income be protected. You would also need to attach a copy and proof of your Social Security income. Sometimes you may not have the actual document that you get from SSI, from the Social Security Administration. If you don't, that's fine. Use your bank account information and just show where that SSI is being deposited into your account. But if you have the actual document that shows SSI is being deposited from the Social Security Administration, I think that would be better. But if you don't have it, use your bank account. And then when you supply that information to the court, when you attach that, and I recommend that you attach that proof to this document here, the request to protect income and assets. And when you attach proof, make sure that you white out your account information and your Social Security information, especially if you're using your bank account. You want to white out the account information, and you probably want to go ahead and white out everything else that doesn't deal with SSI, because they don't need to know how you're spending your money really. All the court really needs to see is how if SSI is being deposited in your bank account. Um, and also, let's see what else. Yes, so make sure that you white out the account information, and particularly the account information and your Social Security information if you have your actual document that you received from the if you have your actual award letter from Social Security Administration. Sometimes your social is on that. Make sure you white that out as well too, and attach it to the request to protect income and assets. The reason you want to write that out, because sometimes these documents are filed and then they could end up in the public record. And so you don't want your social to be in the public record. You don't want your account information to be in the public record. So just remove that information. So on this next page too, you're going to sign it. You're going to date it. You're going to get a hearing date, and also need to complete your certificate of service as well too, which is the person that sued you, the creditor. You write in their information, and then you would sign it. And so if you're going to hand deliver it to them, indicate that you're going to hand deliver it. If you're going to mail it, it's probably check, a circle, mail it, or circle, or indicate, mark which one that you're doing. That way it's clear. Sign your name, and then this will be filed with the court. So you would get a copy to send to the creditor. You would need to keep a copy of your records as well too. And then make sure you go to that court date, because if you miss that court date, then more than likely this will not be granted. It could be dismissed because you didn't show up to court. And so this is the next page that deals with that. And so the judge will complete this page here. But as I said earlier, make sure you go to the court date. Try to see if you can get the other side to agree. They may look and say, oh yeah, this is protected income. But if you can't get an agreement, don't be afraid to go to the court and ask the court to look at this. And then the court can decide if your SSI should be protected or not. Also, too, sometimes they do charge filing fees to file this document. And if they do, you want to ask for an affidavit of indigency, which basically lets you tell the court that you can't afford to pay the filing fees up front. So you're asking the court to move those fees to the back end. So if you can't afford, if they do charge a filing fee for filing this document and you don't have the money, ask for an affidavit of indigency so that filing fees don't stand in the way. The filing fees don't go to the way, they just move to the back to the end of the case. And so you can pay them at the end as opposed to at the beginning. So ask for that if you can't afford to pay the filing fees. That's if a filing fee is charged for filing this document. Different counties are different. And so to get this document, just use the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned for more. Spread the word. Tell other people that their SSI is protected from creditors. They have to file the right documents and get before the court. And so just tell people about this so they can get the protection that they need. And also, my name is Gina Crawley. I am an attorney out of Nashville, Tennessee. I've been practicing since 2007, and no attorney-client relationship was formed by watching this video. This is general information. I am getting the word out. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Comment, subscribe, like. Thank you so much.